I'll show you in the quick and easy way how you can cancel your auto deposit on RBC. Now, canceling an auto deposit falls under the same umbrella of canceling an Interact e-transfer, right? So to cancel an auto deposit, we need first to learn how to cancel a Interact e-transfer, right? So first off, you'll have to sign in to your RBC online banking. Now, it doesn't matter if it's on laptop, on tablet, or your phone's web browser or the app. All of the steps are pretty similar. So this tutorial I'm going to give you is pretty universal, right? So let's continue on. First off, once you log in on your dashboard here on the left side, you have to click on payment history, right? The payment history is the one on the red arrow I'm showing on the screen right now. After that, you just have to click on the Interact e-transfer you want to cancel, right? So it'll be the auto deposit one. Now, on the one you want to cancel, just click on it, right? And then once you click on it, you have to click on cancel payment. It's the button all the way bottom done. And I'm going to show you it with the arrow on the screen right there. After that, you just have to choose a deposit account, right? So choose a bank account you want to deposit your money in terms of canceling, right? After that, just click on submit. And that's it. You're done. Once you click on submit, it'll take a couple of days to process, but you're basically done. Now, all that's left to do is wait for the bank to process it and your money will be returned. If you enjoyed this video, please do consider liking and subscribing.